up, wake up. You know I love to see your face with no makeup. I just need...
Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time there's a new upload from me, as well as don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, of course. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different, a little exciting as well, because I'm going to be doing the battle of the brands, the battle of the pomades, the brand new Julienne brow pomade versus the also lovely Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow. So this dip brow is in the color chocolate, and this is the Julienne one. It's in the color brown. What is it? In the color dark brown. Anyway, I absolutely love both now that I've tried them on. Let me know, like pause the video, run to the comment section, let me know which one do you think is the Anastasia and which one do you think is the Julienne, or vice versa. Let me know in the comment section before you continue watching this video. Nonetheless, if you want to see how I achieved these brows, so let's get started, guys. So let's get started. So firstly, I wanted to show you guys what I got from the company. This is the company's name. It's called Julienne. They gave me this really cute thing, and I must say I absolutely love it. I'm actually going to use this as a makeup bag. I probably don't need one. This is like the fourth one, but I'm going to use it as like a travel makeup little thingy. Or I actually think I'll use it for like my skincare. But anyway, as you guys can see, by the way, I've zoomed you guys in because we're going to be focusing on our eyebrows today. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist. I am your everyday consumer. So basically, I thought it would be a great idea for me to kind of show you guys how I would do my eyebrows, and we are going to be doing something really fun, kind of comparing the product before it gets on the market, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the product. But first, I want to show you guys what they sent me. They sent me 4 different brow products that they came out with. The first one is the Julienne brow cushion, and this is how the brow cushion looks like. This is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I already have my fingerprints all over there, but as well as this, so something was in here, and this is how it looks. It's basically like a little travel size, what do you call this, like the little spoolie and the concealer shape brush thingy. I actually don't know what you call it. Then when you open this like that, you see the little cushion. So I'm guessing this side is what you use around your eyebrows and on the tail of your eyebrow, and this is for more of the concealer or like the inner of your eyebrow, like closer to your, what do you call this, T-zone area, I think. Yeah, I do not have the lingo for this. But anyway, the next product they sent me was the brow pencil, and it came in this little box right here. Really cute, I must say. I will talk about the packaging in a second. As well as this is the eyebrow pencil, how it looks. So it basically has 2 sides. The first side is obviously my favorite side. I feel like we all use the side. It's the spoolie side, as well as the second side is the actual pencil side. And I picked up, well, they sent me, I was able to pick. I picked the dark brown shade. And then for the brow cushion, I forgot to tell you, I also picked up the medium brown shade. Well, I picked. Why am I saying I picked up? I picked. Anyway, the third product, I don't currently have it with me now because I already gave it to my mom. It's the eyebrow tint. The last one, which is what we're gonna be using in this video, is the little brow pomade. This is how it looks. That's how what it came in, and this is basically how it looks. I'm so excited. Hopefully this video is gonna turn out bomb. So basically all I'll be doing is I will be comparing. Obviously I'm gonna only use one product because I feel like it's only fair, but anyway, I'll be comparing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow pomade in the color chocolate to the Julienne brow pomade in the color dark brown, and let's see like basically who wins supreme. You feel me? I feel like they look really good, not going to lie. Yeah, we're just gonna compare and contrast and see, because at the end of the day it's not really about the packaging, it's about the product. But anyway, let's talk about what Anastasia Beverly Hills claims, its price and all the jazz, because we are really interested in that. So Anastasia Beverly Hills goes for $18 at Sephora. I also bought mine at Sephora when I was on holiday. So I also got mine at Sephora. The only difference is I got mine at Sephora in Dubai. So yeah, in South Africa, we kind of don't have Sephora. And it's a struggle, but I do know, and if I do find some, I'm gonna be linking them in the description box, so do check that out, as well as if you know any other places as well. Help us all in the comment section and tag them or add their names, or I don't know, any way we could find them. So I do know there are like really good Instagram brands and other companies in South Africa that do import products such as Anastasia, Huda Beauty, etc., for us. And the only difference is they do add a little bit of a margin, because obviously they encounter other taxes, and they also they need some profit. So just know it'll be a little bit more expensive. However, it goes for $18, and that is currently like 256, 270-ish, somewhere there, rand. Now, what are the claims? According to Sephora, they say it is a smudge-free, waterproof pomade formula that performs as an all-in-one brow product. Right, so basically what it does, this is creamy multitasking product that glides on the skin and hair smoothly to create clean, defined brows. The standout formula works as a brow primer and provides color, sculpture, and shading. It is ideal for oily skin. Hi! And it in humid climates. So that is perfect, and it's like a 4.5 star rating on Sephora.com. Now on to the trusty, the new fave, hopefully. Let's talk about it. So this product retails for 119.50 rand. So that is, first of all, a big tick, because it is slightly cheaper. So that's number one. Number two, basically it's like, this is, I don't know, Anastasia Beverly Hills, I think it will be more considered not really high end, but like mediocre. I don't know. You guys let me know. I'm not a makeup guru to know these things, but let me know if is it high end or not. But I would consider it high end. But the price point so far, Julienne is popping off because it is slightly cheaper. As well as you can get Julienne at Dis-Chem stores, as well as it's obviously available in South Africa. So that kind of knocks out Anastasia Beverly Hills. Is it a dupe? I don't know. We're gonna find out together. As well as like a cheaper alternative. So you do know for sure that you're only gonna pay 119 rand 50. Hopefully this is the same price that they're gonna be selling it at Dis-Chem, because this is the price that they have on the website. Yeah, and you know, with this one you're gonna be obviously paying more. Firstly, you'll be paying more because you'll be in a different country, or you'll be paying more because you're trying to import, or you'll be paying more because you're trying to get it from all the reputable like links I've put in the description box, or you guys have shared with us in the comment section. Anyway, so this brow pomade, I got it, by the way, I got it in the color dark brown. So it says, allow the rich color to create bold, dramatic brows, perfect for every occasion. Smudge proof, waterproof. The brow pomade delivers intense, long-lasting color. So real quick, this smudge proof, water resistant, The brow pomade delivers intense, long-lasting color. 119 Rand 50. Whereas Anastasia Beverly Hills Darling is 260 basically. And it is also smudge-free, waterproof formula that performs all in one brow product. It is creamy, multitasking that glides on the skin, etc, 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 and it defines the brow with clean sculpting and ideal for oily skin, humid, great in humid climates, etc, etc. So basically it will not melt off your skin. Listen, y'all are talking a lot of beautiful things here, but the real tea is it gonna be popping? Anyway, so I am gonna be using the spoolie from my new pencil. So let's dive right into this video. I will also be using my MAC concealer palette. I'll be using, I should actually use this a little brush, but it's so small, so I don't know. So I'm gonna be using my little brush here to kind of dig into that dip brow, and then I'll be using my Urban Studio fluffy brush. I mean, I don't know what this brush is called. I just got it from Willy's. So yeah. So I don't know. So I think I'm going to do this side with my Anastasia and my left side for my Julienne. So let's get started. Okay, so before I clean the top of my brow, I'm actually gonna go in and start with this brow. But before I start, I'm gonna take some Johnson & Johnson wipes right here, and I'm just gonna clean my brush to kind of take away that pigment and color before we go into the new brow product, which is the Julienne one for my left side, so that we get a fair chance at the pigment and color and all that jazz. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Hopefully I have a good brow day, because you know, your girl is not a makeup guru. You is me, me is you. We are one, the everyday consumer. Ooh, that is so satisfying. Anyway, so that's how it looks. Oh, the color is insane. I'm a little scared, but let's get into it. I'm actually very scared, but let's get right into it. Listen, I don't want to talk too soon, but I'm already loving it. Did you see how smooth that went on? And I had to kind of dust a little bit on my hand. Listen, I'm already excited. Yeah. Can't want to psych myself out, but I'm excited. This is beautiful. What? This is gorgeous. So basically I just need a little bit more, like right here. So I'm just gonna draw a little bit more, but instead of going into my pomade, I'm just gonna use the little bit that is on my hand so I don't pick up too much. All right, time to clean my brow. I'll be going into this color right here, and that is the color NC42. That's to conceal under my brow. I really like to go really light under my brow. I'm not sure why. I just think it looks popping, especially when you're gonna add color. It just looks fire. So let's do this. Going to be defining my brows. I'm going to first use this color right here. That's NW40, and that's going to be the color I use above my brow. That's not my foundation shade, so I just like a little bit of a deeper color to contrast my brows, because usually it goes with the foundation, sort of, kind of, because I like it a little bit darker on up top. So that's the color I'm going to use, and then I'm going to kind of fix up my brows to make them look how I like, but I'm not going to be using any more product in terms of the different pomades. What do I think about the two products? Honestly speaking, I couldn't tell the difference. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Let me know if you can, but I couldn't tell the difference. I did really like makeup because I didn't want it to kind of overpower the eyebrow, even though I feel like the red lips are low-key kind of a lot, but at the same time, I'm really enjoying my eyebrows. It wasn't really a great eyebrow day, but like they came out all right. I do think, however, this did better than I thought it would. So does it get the approval? Heck yes! I would definitely be getting me more of this should this run out for sure. Like 119 Rand 50. Thumbs up. So anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video and you want more of this kind of setup, this type of video, let me know in the comment section down below, as well as let me know what type of video you'd like to see next. Anyway, all my socials and all the important details will be in the description box. Maine Wonders, I'll see you next time. Bye.
I know we just met.